Hi everyone, my name is Diptesh. Today in this video, I will explain you the method, how to make faded design using Adobe Illustrator. First you have to take an artboard of 1000 into 1000 pixel. Then on the right hand side click on Advanced Options, then select the color mode to RGB color, and make sure for the better pixel quality set it to 300 pixels per inch. The artboard is created. Now click on Text tool from the toolbar, and write a word as per your choice. Here I am writing fade. Now hold Alt plus Shift button for vertical and horizontal increment in perfect ratio. Now select the text, and on the top right corner, click on Align option for vertical and horizontal alignment. The text is in the center. Now click on Font dialog box to choose font as per your choice. Now, again align the text in the center using Align tool. Now hold the Shift button and rotate the text, it will rotate 90 degrees. After that click on Effects on the top, from that effects click on 3D tool and choose Rotate tool. Now click on Position, and set the position to isometric top. Then copy that text and paste in front. After that hold the Shift button and drag the upper text up to the mark. Now select both the text, and go to Object dialog box for Blend tool, and click on Make Blend. Again go to the object, and click Blend and choose Blend options. Now choose Specified Steps, and set it to 200 steps and hit OK. Now choose Rectangle tool, and make a square box background for better fade effect. Hold the Shift button, and drag for diagonally ratio correction. Right-click on the box, and click on Arrange option, and send it to back. Now go to the Object option, and lock the selected box. Now right-click on the text, and select Isolated Selected Group. After opening Isolated Panel, select the upper text portion, and change the color as per your choice. Here I am selecting white color. Make sure that always change the upper text color for better faded effect. Your faded effect is completed. If you learn something on this channel, then hit the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification, and comment down if you want any another effect tutorial. Thanks for watching, have a great day.